Cathay Pacific has promised Easter holiday travelers there won't be a repeat of the chaos that occurred over Christmas and the Lunar New Year, when more than 800 flights were cancelled because of a pilot shortage. The Transport and Logistics Bureau said the city's flagship carrier admitted that it underestimated the number of pilots needed for peak travel periods, but blamed it on an organization system that has not been updated. The Civil Aviation Department has reviewed reports from Cathay and urged the airline to thoroughly check its organizing and planning systems to prevent a similar situation from happening again. The airline said it has taken remedial measures to strengthen its operations and recruited experienced aviation professionals to ensure that manpower is sufficient. The government also urged Cathay to look for new destinations on the mainland, Southeast Asia, the Middle East and Eastern Europe to strengthen Hong Kong's status as an international aviation hub. Janice Yu, Cable News.